Welcome to this in-depth training guide on setting up your service types on PractiCORE, the complete architect practice management platform. Your service types are the foundation of everything your practice does on PractiCORE. They describe the services you provide to your clients, whether that's a full architectural service, a planning-only service, an interior design package, or a feasibility study. And they don't live in isolation. The service type information you set up here flows through your CRM system, where it labels every inquiry, through your quotation generator, where it shapes every fee proposal, and through your project management module, where it drives every project stage. In this guide, we'll walk through every setting step by step, from finding the service types page to naming your services, writing descriptions with live placeholders, building out project stages, configuring fees and tasks, and saving everything. So let's begin. From anywhere in PractiCORE, click your profile menu in the top right corner of the screen and select Company Settings. Once Account Settings opens, select the Projects tab along the top, and you'll land on Project Setup. You're now in Service Type Management, and this is the heart of the setup. Under Current Service Types, you'll see every service your practice has created so far. Each service type has its own color panel and its own row of action buttons on the right. Let's talk through what each one does. The pencil icon is the Edit button. Click it to open the editor for that service type. The copy icon duplicates the service type, which is a brilliant time saver when you're creating a new service that's similar to an existing one. You simply clone it and adjust the details. The chevron expands the row to show the project stages underneath, and the bin deletes the service type entirely. Click the Edit button on your chosen service. You'll see three fields appear. First, the service type name. This is the client-facing name shown on all your client-facing documents, so make it clear and professional. Second, the internal service type name. This is only used internally on your project management module and never appears on quotations, invoices, or emails. They can be the same, or you can set a shorter internal shorthand. For example, a detailed client-facing name like 03 Planning Application Architectural Service could be shortened internally to 03 Planning. And third, the color. The color that labels this service type right across the platform. Below the names sits the service description, and this is where your service types really start working for you. Here you create a general description of your service type, and this text can appear on all your PDF documents, your fee proposals, your quotations, your invoices, and in the emails you send to clients directly through the PractiCORE platform. It's pulled through using a placeholder called Service Description, which we'll come to shortly. But the real power is in the Insert Placeholder tool in the top right of the editor. Click it, and a drop-down appears listing every piece of live data PractiCORE can drop into your text. There are client placeholders, the client's full name, their first name only, their last name, email address, phone number, address, and company name. And there are project placeholders, the project type, the project address, the project fee, the estimated value, the service type itself, and of course, the service description. When you insert one, a tag appears in your text in double curly braces, and the moment that description is used on a real document, PractiCORE replaces every tag with the live data from that inquiry or project. So one description serves every client forever. When you're happy, click Save. Now we move to the most important part of any service type, its project stages. A service type on its own is just a label. The project stages are what turn it into a working schedule. These are the stages of a project that sit within your service. For a full architectural service, that might be a measured building survey, concept design, design development, technical design, planning submission, building regulations, and construction information. For a planning-only service, it might just be the survey, the drawings, and the submission. Back on the service types list, expand your service and click Edit Stages. You'll see an Add Stage button, and clicking it reveals a full configuration panel for one stage. Let's build one together, the Measured Building Survey. First, type the stage name. This is how the stage will appear in your project management module and on your work schedule. Now notice the toggles across the top of the stage panel. These define what kind of stage it is, and they're crucial. So let's go through each one carefully. The first toggle is Internal Design Stage. Mark a stage as internal only design work, and it will be hidden from fee proposals, quotation PDFs, invoices, and the payment schedule, but it will still appear in your work schedule for planning and time tracking. Use this for any stage your team works on that the client never needs to see as a line item. Next is Payment Stage, and you'll see this one is on by default. This is the toggle that includes the stage in your payment schedule, meaning it appears on your fee proposals, quotations, and invoices as a chargeable stage. And when Payment Stage is on, a new field appears, the Payment Stage Name, which is the name that goes on the invoices. This field is required. It's needed for your fee proposal and quotation PDFs, so always give it a clean, client-friendly name. Here we're calling ours Initial Project Fee. The third toggle is Appointment Stage. Mark a stage as needing a scheduled appointment, like a site visit, and the stage will prompt for appointment booking in the diary and appointments flow, with the appointment details syncing straight to the user's work schedule. And the fourth toggle is Drawings Stage. Mark a stage as one that produces drawings, and PractiCORE knows to treat it as a drawing-producing stage in your project pipeline. You can mix and match these toggles to describe exactly what each stage does. Beneath the toggle sits the stage scope of works description, and this deserves your full attention because it's the text your clients actually read. This is where you write a detailed scope of works for the project stage, and it can be displayed on your PDF fee proposals, quotations and invoices, and in emails sent from the platform, using the scope of works placeholder. In other words, while the payment stage name is the one-line label on the invoice, this description is the paragraph that explains to the client exactly what work is included in that stage. For our measured building survey, you might write a 3D laser scan measured site survey to record existing information about the existing building and site, plus an assessment of the site survey and a review of a feasibility study to confirm client requirements. Write it once here, and it appears perfectly on every quotation that uses this stage. Below the description are the commercial details. Allocated time in hours, how long your team should expect this stage to take, which feeds your planning. Fee amount in pounds. If you charge a set fee for this stage, set it here, and when you use the quotation generator, that fee is added to the quotation automatically, though you can always amend it per quotation if you need to. And external costs. Any third-party costs associated with the stage, like a specialist survey. Then the payment terms. Free text for terms such as due on completion, or as we're setting here, to be paid as an initial fee 24 hours prior to the survey being carried out. Now for two features that make your stages genuinely smart. First, along the bottom of the stage panel, you'll see Default Assigned User. Select a team member here, and every project that uses this stage will automatically assign it to them, so responsibility is never ambiguous. Next to that is the stage color. Pick a color for the stage so it's instantly recognizable across your schedule and your projects. And alongside that, the drawings counter, showing how many drawings are linked to this stage. Second, and this is one of the most powerful settings in the whole of project setup, the Use Stage Tasks toggle at the top right. Enable this and you unlock stage tasks, the ability to create individual tasks within each project stage. So instead of a stage being a single block, you can itemize and monitor every task inside it. For example, on the measured building survey stage, tasks like organize survey appointment, carry out site survey, or issue survey drawings to the client. And these tasks aren't just a checklist. They can be used to create automations, automatically generating work schedule blocks and to-do items for the user assigned to the project stage, helping you break down the workload and track project progress task by task. If your practice likes granular oversight of exactly where every project stands, enable stage tasks. If you prefer a lighter touch, leave it off, and your stages stay simple. It's entirely your choice. That's the point of PractiCORE. Let's finish by pulling everything together. Once your stages are built, you can reorder them at any time using the arrows on each stage, so your stages always run in the true order your projects follow, from first survey to final sign-off. And when every stage is configured, click Done, and your service type is saved with its full schedule of stages in place. Back in the service type editor, there's one last touch. Open the Insert Placeholder drop-down inside the service description and drop in the project placeholders, so your description reads something like, "This is a full architectural design service for the project type at the existing site of project address." The moment that description is used on a quotation, those tags resolve to the real project type and the real project address, completely automatically. Click Save, and your service type is live. From now on, every time you add an inquiry to your CRM and select this service type, all of its stages, fees, tasks, and descriptions come with it, flowing straight through to your quotation generator and your project management module. And that's it, your service types on PractiCORE. Fully custom service types with project stages, fees, scope of works, and stage tasks, all set up to work exactly the way your practice works. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next guide.